Introducing Playful Color Theory for Quilters. Love making quilts, but stumped about color? I'm Rebecca Bryan, author of Modern Rainbow and obsessed color enthusiast. Join me to learn my secrets of choosing and mixing color to create stunning modern quilts. Heighten your understanding of color theory and explore how to use color playfully in your quilts. Through my innovative exercises, you'll practice your color knowledge and actually train your eye to color. You'll have a chance to develop your own color wheelhouse and learn secret colors, a new way to discover colors that naturally coordinate. We'll start by using paint to create our own color reference. Then, we'll match our paint colors to fabrics. You'll find out how easy it can be to improve the color in your quilts, one exercise at a time. So join me now in Playful Color Theory for Quilters and begin developing your own color perspective to share with the world.